My dear student, our topic is arithmetic progression. Yesterday I have read some basic concept of this arithmetic, how we can find out the sum and how we can find the number first and how we can find the difference and how we can find the last term, first term. So today we do some exercise or we take some question from different exercise. Today I have take this how we can find the sum of the terms. First of all, here is the question. The find the sum of the following APS. This is the APS 2, 7, 12 days to 10 term. We need the sum of these terms. How we can find the term? I have already told in a last video that the sum, we can find the sum. Sum of the n term is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d 1. If we know the number of terms, we know the first term, we know that difference, we can find by this formula. We can find easy by this formula sum of the terms. So here we know that here what is the A? What is the first term? A meaning the first term is 2. And what is the difference? How we can find the difference? Difference meaning A1, A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. By this method, we can find the difference. So you should know that 7 minus 2, 12 minus 5. When we go in here, again a number will be here come 17 minus 12. Every time we can find that 7 minus 2 equal to 5. 12 minus 5, 12 minus 7 equal to 5. Every time you should be find the common, the difference, you should be find out the difference 5. That means the common difference is 5. So here A is 2, the D A2 minus A1, that means 7 minus 2, or A3 minus A2, that means equal to 5. 12 minus 7 equal to 5. So here the D common difference is that 5 and N is 10 because we find the sum of the 10 term. These are total 10 term. So here the number of the term is 10. So already we know yesterday last video I have told that how we can find the sum. Sum Sn equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. अगर आप लोगों को ये फार्मूला याद होगी, कल लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने बेसिक कंसेप्ट आपको दिया, किस तरह आप पहला टर्म निकालोगे, किस तरह आप डिफरेंस निकालोगे, किस तरह आप कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालोगे, लास्ट टर्म निकालोगे, सम किस तरह करोगे. तो अगर आपके पास पहला टर्म है a और आपके पास n है यहाँ और आपके पास कॉमन डिफरेंस d है, तो आप आसानी के साथ सम निकाल सकते हैं, सम ऑफ द टर्म्स. सो Sn here, Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That means the sum, here the total number of terms is 10. 10 divided by 2 into 2a is equal to 2. So that n is the 10 minus 1 into d is here. We find out that d equal to 5. So by this formula, you should know that S10 equal to 5. 2 1 to 5 into 2 to 4 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 5. That means S10 equal to 5. 4 plus 9 5s are 45. So S10 is equal to 5 into 45 plus 2, 4 equal to 49. That means S10 equal to 49 divided by 5, 49 multiply 5 equal to 245. This is very easy. ये बहुत ही आसान तरीका है. अगर आपके पास पहला टर्म है, आपके पास कॉमन डिफरेंस है, आपके पास नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स है, तो आप आसानी by this formula, by this method, you should be find out the sum of the term. This is very easy. Here I have take second question. How we can find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Here the question is 12. Question number 12 of exercise 5.3. Here to find the sum of the 15 multiples of 8. आपको यहाँ सम निकालना है ऐसे पहले 15 multiples of 8, यानी 8 के जमा the first 15 multiples of 8. और अगर आप देखेंगे 8 के पहले 15 multiples क्या है. फर्स्ट है 8, इट इज द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8. सेकंड है 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 सो ऑन. लास्ट टर्म होगा यहाँ 15 into 8 120. सो लास्ट टर्म जो होगा वो होगा 120. सो यू शुड बी हियर नोट दैट a equal to 8. And what is the common difference? Here is the same. You should be know that a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2. That means 16 minus 8 equal to 8. 24 minus 16 equal to 8. Every time you should be know that the common difference. Because if we should take the APL, every time you should be know that the common difference is the same. The difference is the same. That means the common difference. यहाँ आपको नोट करना होगा जब हम एपी लेते हैं तो उनके दरमियान जो नंबर, जब हम सेकेंड नंबर लिखते हैं तो हमेशा हर वक्त जो डिफरेंस होता है वो कॉमन होता है, इसीलिए हम इसको कॉमन डिफरेंस कहते हैं. तो हमेशा चाहे आप a3 माइनस a2 लेंगे, a4 माइनस a3 लेंगे, a5 माइनस a4 लेंगे, हमेशा आपको डिफरेंस सेम आ जाएगा. इसलिए हमें ज़्यादा यहाँ लिखते नहीं है. पहला टर्म 8 है और कॉमन डिफरेंस है 16 माइनस 8, वो हो गया 8. आप यहाँ ये भी नोट कर सकते हैं, यहाँ 24 माइनस 16 वो हो गया 8. 32 minus 24 8. 40 minus 32 8. Every time you should be know that the difference will be common. So here the common difference will be 8. लास्ट टर्म आप देखेंगे 15 into, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट मल्टीपल्स होंगे, इट इज अनलिमिटेड, these are infinite. So but here the question 15 फर्स्ट 15 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8. इसका मतलब होता है कि अगर हम 15 का मल्टीपल जब हम देखेंगे 8 का वो होगा 120. लास्ट टर्म जो होगा वो है 120. यहाँ आपको दूसरी फार्मूला इस्तेमाल करना होगा. यहाँ ये जो आपके पास है ये फार्मूला, यानी एस एन इक्वल टू एन डिवाइड बाई 2 इंटू 2a प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू 2. यहाँ ये नहीं है, हो सकता है अगर आप इस मेथड को इस्तेमाल करेंगे आपको ये सॉल्व नहीं होगा. हमने यहाँ उठाया है दूसरा फार्मूला. यहाँ कल भी मैंने वीडियो में डाला है आप लोगों को कि एस एन अगर लास्ट टर्म आपके पास है तो आप क्या करेंगे, एन डिवाइड बाई 2 इंटू a प्लस एल. अगर आपके पास लास्ट टर्म है, पहला टर्म है, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आपके पास हैं, तो आप आसानी के साथ इस फार्मूला को या इस मेथड के जरिए आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ देखिए, एंड हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर, दीज आर द 15 टर्म्स. So we Sn equal to n divided by 2 into a plus l. That means how many terms are here? 15. As 15 equal to 15 divided by 2, because n is here 15. You should be find that the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. इसका मतलब हो total number of terms here is the 15. 15 divided by 2 into a. The first term is 8. First term is 8 and last term is 120. First term 8 and last term is 120. By this method, you should be find out the Sn as 15 equal to 15 divided by 2 into 120 plus 2 8 128. That means 2 1 is 264 4 is that is S15 equal to 15 into 64. 64 into 15. That is equal to 960. That is equal to 960. So you should be there, note that S15 is equal to 9. This is very easy. You should be used first if you have the first term and last term and number of the terms, you should use this method and find out the sum. If you have the number of terms, first term and number of terms, and you know that the common difference, you should find out the you should be find out by this method. You should be find out the sum of the terms. These are very easy. These are two methods to find out the sum of the terms. Hope you have understand. Thanks.